You lost your chance.
At straightness.
And your chance to be with Julie. So she hasn't seen your penis.
Oh my god.
That's it. Oh my god, don't pee at the waterfall!
You piece all
I
over
did
the
not need
floor
to.
last
I
night.
did not piss all over the floor.
All over the floor. It was all
It
over
was
the floor. I
iced
was
tea.
walking in it, okay?
Guys, can I pretend this is like, what's that?
I'll break these.
No. Well, that's, no, like the other one that you play in the band.
Cello.
Yeah.
That's the orchestra.
Ow.
Yeah, don't hurt.
What are you trying to do? Make chopsticks?
Lisa's playing with spoons.
Sushi is like raw fish.
It is raw
It's not
fish.
smelly like Julie's vagina.
Hey!
She said, hey, Deacon's gay. And you don't have a penis.
Who are you talking about?
Well, I hope neither of you have a penis.
I'm not a lesbian.
Why is everybody denying the fact I have a penis?
Because Julie's never seen it. You've been with her since September. You got naked at Dee's party.
I'm
You
shirtless.
have a displaced nipple.
I was shirtless.
Oh my god, fuck is pregnant. Don't go rolling with the aborted feety. That's multiple for aborted fetus. Oh my god, I think that's towing you. That sounds sexual.
Alan.
I think Alan is in you. What will Josh Howard think? I think Deacon's gay. And I think you should go wash your hands in the sink. It's a moldy pumpkin. Everyone sing moldy pumpkin. It's a moldy pumpkin. Moldy pumpkin. It's been here since October. It's now January. Someone who can do that. It's growing crystals. Maybe we can make a diamond out of it.
Or crystal meth.
We can sell it on eBay, get some money, get a different wall than the Twilight Shrine. I don't know what I'm saying anymore.